You might sometimes get these updates notices in Game Creator. You'll notice there's an update to the core, for instance. I just want to go over the correct way of upgrading to these. What we want to do is we want to uninstall Game Creator core first, then update to it. Clicking this update button is not going to do it. That just goes to the website or to the asset store. So what you want to do is you go into Game Creator, uninstall, and Game Creator, and you'll see a list of all the modules you have if you have other ones. So if any of the other ones are updated, you could do the same. So what we want to do is uninstall this, and don't worry, you could back up your project first. I'm not going to do that for this, but don't worry, you won't lose all your stuff that's set up, even though you're uninstalling the core. So let's see what happens. So you'll see this weird, and now it has a missing script. So let's see if it comes back when we reinstall Game Creator 2. So now what we do is we download the update and import from Package Manager. And notice it still shows as being in the project. So the uninstall from the menu did not remove it completely from the project. And we have to do the install upgrade again. And we do the import. Our settings are back. And we were hoping that would be the case. So yeah, same settings. And did our game manager come back? Yes, it did. So it did restore everything that it looked like it might have lost. So that is how it works. So that's the recommended method of upgrading to new versions of Game Creator 2 when they come out. And after you upgrade, if you're on a URP project, you'll need to rerun the render pipeline converter if you just want to use the mannequin during your prototyping. And that's all you need to do. If you like this video, like, subscribe, comment down below, and we'll see you in the next one.